He dash breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. You are right. We dash to the park on Sundays. You are right. The sun dash in the east. You are right. She always dash her homework after school. You are right. They dash TV after dinner. You are right. My father dash coffee every morning. You are right. Cats dash a lot during the day. You are right. The train dash at 6 p.m. every evening. You are right. Water dash at 100 degrees Celsius. You are right. She dash the piano beautifully. You are right. Did you enjoy the quiz? How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video, share it with friends who want to improve their English, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.